Safety is important to everybody. Everyone goes to work each day and wants to go home each day without being injured. And one of the things that we make sure is that our people, when they're out there working with plant and equipment, have the best technology which they can have at any given chance. McConnell Dowell is always actually looking at innovative ideas of which they can put safety into place on projects. So one of the reasons that we've brought Blindsight on is to ensure that our personnel that are working on the ground do not come into harm's way whilst working with plant and equipment.
Blindsight is used as an additional control to our already existing controls that we have out on sites. We do work in a very high-risk construction area. People may get struck by a piece of plant, may hit a piece of infrastructure. So it's really key for us to actually put controls in place that help minimise the potential and severity of incidents.
Blindsight not only gives an audible alarm, but it also gives a display in the cabin to the operator to show that someone has moved into the danger zone. It also goes back and gives data to look back and make sure that when we are planning our scopes of work, we can actually put in the correct controls to ensure that personnel aren't in the way of plant and equipment.
Mia is our health and safety trainee, and she plays a really key role in terms of actually reviewing the data. Being a part of this process is giving her education and awareness not only about blind spots on different types of pieces of plant, but how do you resolve some of those issues and help mitigate some of those risks.
I think any innovation in which we can make something safer in a construction industry or on a construction site adds advantage. And I think moving forward, as technology advances, it can only be a good thing for the industry to have something like Blindsight on sites.
There has been a key change in behaviour out on site. Having Blindsight make people a little bit more proactive and actually think about what they're doing and not walk in behind blind spots or moving plants, which is really nice to see.